Want to stay focused, reduce distractions, and get more done with Windows Clock? Focus sessions can help you structure dedicated work periods, schedule breaks, and build a more consistent productivity routine. In this guide, I'll show you how to use focus sessions like a pro in 2026. First, open the Clock app from the Start menu, then select Focus Sessions from the Navigation menu. This is the main area where you can create and manage focused work periods. Now choose how long you want your focus session to last. Start with a duration that feels realistic for the task you're working on. The goal isn't simply to work for as long as possible, but to create a focused period where you can avoid unnecessary distractions. Next, configure your break time when the available options are shown. Taking regular breaks can help you maintain concentration during longer work sessions. Choose a work and break pattern that fits your schedule instead of forcing yourself to work continuously. Once everything is ready, select Start Focus Session. The countdown will begin, giving you a dedicated period to concentrate on your task. This is the time to close unnecessary apps, silence distractions, and focus on one priority. For better results, connect each focus session to a specific task. Instead of simply starting a timer, decide exactly what you want to accomplish before the session begins. Having a clear target makes it easier to measure whether the session was productive. If your version of Windows Clock provides supported focus sounds or music integrations, you can use them to create a consistent working environment. Choose background audio only if it helps you concentrate, and avoid anything that becomes another distraction. To use focus sessions like a pro, make them part of your daily routine. Schedule focused work for your most important tasks, take your planned breaks, and repeat the process throughout the day when needed. Consistency is more important than trying to complete an extremely long session. After several sessions, review how much focused time you're completing and adjust your routine if necessary. If sessions feel too long, shorten them. If you're finishing easily, gradually increase your focus duration. The goal is to create a system you can consistently maintain. And that's how to use focus sessions like a pro in 2026. Set realistic focus periods, schedule breaks, connect sessions to specific tasks, reduce distractions, and build a consistent daily routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.